Good morning everyone, welcome to sadywelljapan.com. Today is lecture number 5, Save Before Tax. Today's lecture is short-term prepaid expense. First, I want to explain you about the basic rule of the expense. Its expense is deductible in a year when the service is provided. Let me show you an example. This is example right where you pay the rent for next 1 year, which is 120 in August. So what happened is at your fiscal year end at December. So the first years only like 50, the rent for each month is just 10, so only 50 will become the expense for the first year, and the remaining amount 70 will become the expense of the next year, because you have not rent for the next year yet. Period has not passed yet. But what happens if you apply the special rules for short-time prepaid expense? For example, you pay 120 for the rent for the next 1 year. At the fiscal year end, period for the next year has not passed yet, but you can deduct like 120, which is all amount you paid in August. This 120 will become the deductible expense in the year 1. So, what is a special rule for the short-term prepaid expense? Which is that by using this rule, short-term prepaid expense will become a deductible at the cash payment, not according to the period, at the cash payment. So what is the definition of the short-term prepaid expense? That has to be expense for the services. So you can apply this rule for the rent or insurance, but you cannot apply for the cost of goods sold or insurance. Not insurance, for the interest. Also, the services has to be provided within a year, because this is a rule for the short-term prepaid expense. For the last, this is an important rule. Once you apply this rule, you have to keep applying this rule in the following years. You can't, change your accounting policies depending on year. So this tax saving can be used only the one time at the first year you apply. So you can't you can't change your policy, because tax office do not like the manipulation of the profit. Thank you for listening to today's lecture. See you next time. Thank you for watching sadywellj.com. My name is Sada. I'm a Japanese tax accountant and helping entrepreneurs in Japan. If you want to know more detail, call me now. See you next time.